So you're a professional.
Hey, hey, hey!
Hey, always been a black sheep, struggling to work the ATM. I just bet 20K on black at the...
Good morning, YouTube. Here we are. I think it's like 6 in the morning, 5:50 something. Atlanta Thrash. Had nothing really going on. I got a lot of chores to do around here today, and I don't know. So I figured we'd do a day in the life of the Atlanta Thrash. So, good morning. Here we go. Why are you afraid to go over to the fire?
Because I'm afraid of lava.
You think it's gonna make lava?
Yeah.
Dude, you can't. It's not gonna make lava. Good morning.
Look, being a lot of haters call it quit.
Breakfast is served. With the dripping butter, dude, it couldn't get any better.
I'll have it as soon as I earn the money to buy.
So these guys are here and they're gonna take this truck. My dad gave it to them a long time ago. They're finally here to pick it up. They're gonna fix this old Mack truck up and then take it to Haiti for a new life, a whole new work life, they claim. Crazy. So you're a professional.
Yeah, like I said, I've been messing with those little toys since childhood. So right now, I know what I'm doing.
You need the screwdriver?
Yes.
I got that thing or that one?
Let me use this one.
You can have both. This is how we're gonna try and get it to break free. It's been sitting for a while. Big rig.
Hey, hey!
Nice.
Hey!
Okay, let me move this.
Yeah.
That was a nice. That's a strong truck. Should we try and pull it straight out?
With this? No, move this one. We're gonna have to try to
Pull us straight out with the skid loader.
Yeah.
We can pull it straight out with the skid loader as like that.
Yeah, yeah.
I can just come in here now and just back
Yeah.
up. You ready, Captain?
Hey!
Is this thing nice? Are you scared of the roller coaster ride you're gonna go on?
No, that's
It's gonna be pretty gnarly.
it's okay.
Wow!
Hey, come on, share me today, but no up things you can be, you can marry and not feel able to be.
No, you're fine.
Yeah, push it.
You're fine. All right, we're gonna push this puppy up nice and gentle because we got some crazy guy in it. This is insane, dude. Is it going up? You think we can? It's pretty good though. It's pretty good.
What about this way?
It's not bad.
Yeah, drag it back a little bit for me.
Yeah, I will. You might not even have to chain it if you leave it like that.
No, I gotta change.
You know what I
Oh,
mean?
yeah.
In the hole?
For sure, yeah. Yeah, come on down. Hold it. Tie it up.
Loaded up, boys. She's loaded up. Whoa, look at that rig. That thing's insane, that rig. When's this wedding gonna be done, dude?
It's taking forever.
No, I'm over it. Do it on your own time. Oh! 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 Heavy load, boys. These guys are gnarly. All right, so that was a surprise. But the Mack truck's gone. It's been here for so long. They've said they were gonna come for like a year straight, and it's gone. Peace out.
Straight up, I walked in like a boss. I saw your mama and I chalked up a loss. I always see her late night trying to.
We are on the hunt right now for the world's best comic book coloring book.
Yeah.
Hey, you brought baby?
Yeah.
What's baby think of the El Camino?
She can't talk.
On the hunt for the art section. Do you see it? I think we have to be getting close. That's something. This is pretty artsy. No, this isn't it yet. I think we found the coloring book section. Also, I got this cork board here so I can get my bus build more organized. So, yeah. Probably gonna get a couple coloring books and then
This is like the
head
same
back to the
coloring book,
house.
but it's kind of different.
You like that one?
Yeah. Get another one.
You can get two.
I saw your mama in the club getting drugs for free. But she don't really fuck with me. Tried to slide in, got some beer for cheap. She called me looking at her double D's. I tried to be cool, get down with her peeps. But they had enough of me. I just wanna make them say I'm poppy. But she swears she ain't touching me. Mommy hobby popping Molly, but she's probably popping Rosses in the club, thinking that she's followed by the paparazzi. Steady scheming, never dreaming, drunk as fucking, barely eating. Skiing the weekends and drinking some semen. I wanna hold her close, no I don't. I wanna feel her flow, put on a Leah, bump it loud so we can rock the boat and take it slow, cause this bitch is a hoe.
I hate to stop. Have to crawl. Maybe.
They're nothing but Roger. He treats them like meat. How for Sparrow?
She's taking the flowers so much.
You liking it?
Yep.
Alright.
I hate this part. No.
Can you make it?
I think
Alright, go ahead.
maybe it's my tail pump.
We made it to the top. Yeah. Gonna eat some lunch. We brought some lunch up here. Levy and cheese sandwich. Some chips. Oh, the puppies made it too. Everybody made it. Think Rachel wants any? Or she's being a wimp.
Roger's eating
Shit, these are burning. Dinner is served.
Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen.